everyone, welcome to Cybernova. In this video, we will discuss how to use people search services to gather personal information about someone from a target organization. People search services are online tools that provide various details about others, such as names, addresses, contact details, date of birth, photographs, videos, profession, details about family and friends, social networking profiles, property information, and optional background on criminal checks. These services can be useful for attackers who want to perform phishing, social engineering, and other type of attacks. In this video, we will use PQ as an example of a people search service. PQ is a free website that allows you to search for anyone by their name and location. We will use it to gather information about Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft company. To use PQ, you need to launch any browser on your virtual machine. In this video, I am using Mozilla Firefox. In the address bar of the browser, type https://www.pq.com and press enter. You will see the PQ homepage. On the homepage, you will see two fields where you can enter first name and the last name of the person you want to search for. In our case, we will type Bill and Gates respectively. You can also select the location of the person from the drop-down box. We will select Washington DC as the location. Then click on search icon. The people search will begin and you will see the best matches for the provided search parameters. The results will show information such as public records, background details, email addresses, contact information, address history, etc. You can further click on View Full Report hyperlink to view detailed information about the person. This will redirect you to a different website and it will take some time to load the information. You can scroll down to view the entire information about the person. This is how you can use PQ to gather personal information using people search services. You can also use other services such as Spokeo, People, Intellius, Bean Verified, etc. to find more information about key employees in a target organization. Make sure to document all the acquired information for the future reference. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more videos on ethical hacking.